Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok C. Jhala. In this session, we learn the union in C language. So yes, first I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process and now yes is open. Alt F file menu and taking here definition, write a program to we can say that print integer first character, yes, character, integer and float variable using union. So yes, union is a user defined data type, like a structure is a user defined data type, same way. Structure and union, so that declaration and that variable declaration and then all our technique is the same. So structure and union is a user defined data type, and then definition is also same, like a collection of different data type, that is a member of, or we can say that collection of different data types, that is a known as a union, means a different data type in one place we can declare. But and that we can declare both variable before the semicolon of and global declaration, and inside the main we can declare also structure and union variable both. So yes, here that is what question, what is a difference between structure and union. So like first simple difference, that is a structure struct keyword and union is a keyword. So yes, I first take the syntax of union so you can identify. So yes, union, that is a keyword, yes, look that white color, and then that is a union name, that is also known as a tag name, like in structure that also known as tag name, and then opening brace, yes, and then variable, or before first we can take the data type, yes, and then variable one, or we can say that member one, also we can say that member, and then I uh, copy because that is a same. So here we can say the second member or second variable, and then dot 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 etc, no limitation, and then again I give and closing brace and semicolon. So that is a same syntax. Here I provide the n number of member, or that is a variable. So yes, here I one is extra. So n number of variable is there. So yes, that is a syntax. And here before the semicolon, you can declare the union or structure, both variable and global declaration. So yes, let us take first one example, and then we can also take the difference between union and structure. Yes. So I give the multi-comment line, and first we can take one example so you can understand what is a difference. So yes, first I include our header file. So include stdio.h, then conio console input output, and that is a same declaration like structure. We can union, that is keyword, and test one, that tag name or union name. And here we can define like first we can character like ch, yes, and then integer like x, and float that p. Okay, so different data type. And here before the semicolon, yes, I give the t1, okay, that is variable name. And you can also initialize, but at a time one variable that is initialized, yes, that is a limitation of union. Only that memory allocation is not separate like structure. Yes, I now discussion different between structure and union, because that is a, we can declaration, and that structure is a every member, or that is variable separate memory allocation. And here union, that is a largest member that taking the that type of memory and access all member at the same memory location. So here there are 4 bytes is allocate, and every member access these 4 bytes. That is a limitation of union, and that is a no programming done in union. So that is a limitation. So yes, structure keyword, union keyword use, and that storage every structure separate memory, and here every member is a same memory allocation. Here 4 byte is allocated only, not here that actually if structure there are 1 byte for character, 2 byte for integer, and here is a 4 byte. So actually 7 byte is required to this union, means that structure, but here only 4 byte is provided by this. So that is a limitation of union. So yes, I save this file. So we can say that union, and that is a member, yes, mem and dot c. Okay. So yes, that is a, I just come out and stop. So yes, that is a union. Yes, I just save stop because my laptop battery is some problem. So I start the plugging. Okay, now we can discuss continue. So here that is a union keyword. Yes, and here I discussion last that that is a structure is a separate memory. If that structure you have to declare this test. So here 7 byte because one character, 2 integer and 4 float data type. So 7 byte is required. But here only float is a maximum member that holding compiler give that number of bytes to that union. So that is a limitation. And here we cannot, yes, let us take here I initialize. So that is a same, but let us take that possibility or not. So I give first as a capital A, that is our character, 5 for integer, and then float data type, so 3.14. So yes, that is a work or not. Yes, I now start one example. So we can help of example we can understand the union. So yes, first I give the clear screen, and here we can print. Yes, so print our member of union. So yes, first is a ch value, that is a member of union, and percentage c because that is a character, and t1 dot ch. Yes, that is a same dot operator you can refer. So yes, now I give the ch clear get ch, and then yes, we can compile. Yes, so compile. No, yes, so that is error. So yes, here that is a not support to initialize all member at the same time. Like in structure, we can initialize at the same time. But here only one member you can refer at the same time. So here we can provide only one member first initialize. So now that no any error. Yes, look. So that is a limitation. So yes, that only one character A capital print. So now how I can, yes, now let us first I give, next I copy this line and paste 2 times because P member is there. So here our integer data type, and that is a X, yes, and that P for that value, and here float dot 2F after decimal only 2 points. So here that is a X, and here is a P, and also we can provide the slash N. So new line, otherwise same line. So yes, now how we can other member initialize? Yes, so at a time one. So I now here give the 5. So that is a let us take that possibility. So here now I what to do? So that is a taking first member. Yes, and other member what to do? So yes, now here what to do? So here I initialize like t1 dot ch, and that is a capital A. Yes, that is semicolon. And then here I give t1 dot p, and that initialize 3.14 only. Yes, that is 2 byte after decimal. So let us take that possibility or not. So yes, I compile and run. So yes, that is a print, but X is a 65. Yes, because that is a not a perfect year. Here that is taking that ASCII value of capital A. So that is you cannot only first member you can initialize that. So here that not chance, only one member you can initialize, and that is a first only. So here I give again that is a capital A, that first member, and here I give the comment line, and after here that print, then you can one by one at a one byte you can print. So now I give 5 value. So that now perfectly print. Let us look. Only one member at a time refer. So ch is a, x is pi, and pi is 5 means p value 3.14. So yes, that is a limitation. And how many size of that is union? Let us take. So I printf the size of union of this our example. So yes, size of test union. Yes, that is, and percentage d, that is size, and we can use size of operator. Yes. So here actually give the if structure is there, so 7 byte is required, but here only 4 bytes. Let us take. So here I also provide the slash n. So now I compile. Yes. So what test? Yes. Here is a union keyword also. Like in structure, we can provide like union. So you can also use type def keyword. So let us take. Yes. Now only you can see size of test union is only 4 bytes, not 7 bytes. So highest data member that allocate the compiler memory and all member access to only this memory. So that is a limitation. You can access at a one member at a time, not all member at a time, like in structure. So that is a limitation of storage. Storage is a different for union and structure. So union is a not using programming because that is a limitation, and we can not handle any program using union. So highest data type here is a float data type. So only 4 byte. All other or means small that value 4 byte that store, and at a time one value we can refer, not all value we can refer. And you can also use type def keyword, and all are the same thing. So here like we can use type def, yes, and then union keyword, and then here our test, and give the and test, that is, and then you can use here not using the that is a union keyword like and test, that is our new name of union, that is, yes, there is no any error and same work. So you can also use size of key, it is size of operator, and that type def keyword all are, but the same is the structure. But main limitation, that is a highest data type member, that is allocate the all that is other member to refer the same location. So that is a limitation. So that is not more used in programming. So we can one by one at a time one variable access and print. That is only possibility. And you can also scan. Yes, here I one testing. So here we can scan also, no problem. So I give comment line, and like our simple we can scan like integer. So here we can like x, enter x value. Okay, and scan that same as a structure variable member or variable member means. So percentage d and ampersand t1 dot x. Yes, so that is scan. Yes, let us take. So here that cha print, and now I give any value, so 9. So that print, but that is a limitation. Only one value at a time you can access. That is a limitation. Okay, and you can also declare same as a structure variable union. So here before the semicolon, and here you can also declare. Means declare like if you not use type def keyword, so union and then test, and here t2. Yes, and also in main you can also declare like union test and test t3. So same way as a structure before the semicolon. Yes, here, but only one member initialize, and first only, not all member initialize. And union that declare in the global declaration and inside the main, same way. But at a time, one member you can access. That is a main limitation of union. So now we cannot more use of union because there is a limitation. So in programming of C, that is union is a not used in more program. So now I close this session. So here we can see the union and structure difference, and how one example. So how many technique you can declare, and that how to access one variable at a one time. Okay. So now I close this file, write this program to your C notebooks. Yes, that is very simple way I explain. So close this file, alter F3, because we have to not more use in programming. So why we can spend in this union, because and here you can look that is and you can also type def. Now you cannot use that here, like you can and test use also same here. Yes, that possibility, but that is a limitation is a always in the union. So here we cannot use same, means all variable. Here we can initialize that taking the error. So one by one we can print, and only four size here you can look, that is a size of test union only 4 bytes, not 7 bytes. So highest is a float data type, and that is a 4 byte is required. So all member referring the that 4 bytes at a time, one member you can access. So that is now perfect. So yes, that is I finished. So only union is a very simple, is a user defined data type. Yes. Mm, so all I testing, so no more using union. Now I close this file, okay, and then quit. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalaikani. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.